So this is an Edelbrock. What's up, YouTube? Back at y'all boys with another video. So the rebuilt Holley carburetor on the 75 Caprice didn't work out for us too well. I don't know if it's just wore out, man. We rebuilt everything on it we could put on it. The whole rebuild kit, we installed everything. Honestly, I think the carburetor was just too big for the engine. It's a cruiser. Yes, it does have a 454, but it's a cruiser, man. So we bought an Edelbrock, and the intake is Edelbrock, and everything will be matching. So I think it's gonna work out great. I'm not gonna bore y'all with me installing it, but I will shoot y'all a video after it's done. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell. Make sure you goddamn hit them comments, man. We need all the support we can get, and we out. So this is an Edelbrock, part number 1406. It's a street performer, so this should work perfect on the vehicle. I think we had one on here before, like I said. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we got. Yeah. All right. Comes with a little book. I don't need no book, but yeah, that's cool. Oh, it even comes with the gasket. You got your ground, your hot wire for the electric choke. Dang, they even gave us stuff for the air filter. Shoot, a free fuel filter with clamps. That's cool. Yes, sir. And there's the carburetor. And I haven't opened this thing up. Actually, I ain't never bought one brand new, man. So I gotta support my channel, man. This thing was not cheap. Let's see if I can get it out with one hand. Alright, we got it out. Let me close the box. We'll sit the carburetor on top. There it is. Yes, sir. It's gonna be nice and shiny on that boy. You can argue up and down all day with race guys and everybody else about Holley and Edelbrock, but I know one thing. They might not be more powerful, the Edelbrock, but they're way easier to tune and way easier to rebuild. The Holley's got a little more stuff to it, man. Not saying we didn't do it right, but these are just easier to work with. So yeah, everything looks good. You know, we'll review this carburetor. We'll put it on the car. We'll show y'all with it running, and yeah, we'll go from there. Cool. Alright, man, new carburetor's doing freaking awesome, so we'll probably make it to the show tomorrow. Y'all stay tuned for that video, man. It'll be with Sunnyside Garage, and yeah, man, it's gonna be off the chain. What you want to say? Alright. Yeah, man, y'all heard it from my son. And I'm gonna show y'all a little preview. Yep, she's running. She's running way better. Running way better, man. Yes, sir. Running way better, man. So, hey, y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna have a whole car show for y'all, and then we're gonna keep bringing y'all this footage, man. So y'all go ahead and like and subscribe, and we out.